Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vishnu Dewnure, and I have graduated from KIMS Hubli, and my rank in the NEET PG 2023 is 482. And I have started my preparation after my internship. That is after 1 month of holidays at the home. Then, as a senior suggested me this Bhatia face-to-face institution at Bangalore, so I have joined here, and then after 1 month in month of June, I have started my preparation. I have attended the face-to-face live classes. So our class used to start from in the morning from 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. So soon after my classes, I used to go back. I used to revise whatever I have been taught. And then I used to solve the MCQs regarding those topics, particularly PYQ I used to solve. And then with confidence, like something new I have read, with that mindset, I used to go back to sleep. This was my routine during the classes, like 2 to 3 hours of revision and then 1 hour of MCQs daily. My classes got over in the month of November, November 14th, I would say, like soon after the INICT, all my classes were over. And then I planned my revision for 2 months. For 2 months, kept it for till January 15th. I have kept first review. It was my first revision. There I used to make notes, like things I would forget. Concepts wise, it is good to read during that phase, but there will be some questions like memory based things will be there, which you will eventually forget those. That I used to make a note separately. Then which I kept it for third or the fourth revision. I would like to say that you have to plan your day. You are no need to think of the future, like for the next 10 days, next 15 days. You just have to think what you have to do on that day and the next day. When you go to bed, you have to plan things like what you are going to read next day, and and you have to execute that thing. It's okay to take rest, to take a gap. Like you can take a day. I would not say a day off, but like if you feel there will be some times that where you will feel depressed. At that time you have to like better go to sleep, or you can call over to your closed ones or parents. It's better to take a day off and then again get back on track. Faculties, I would like to my juniors, I would say DBMCI is the no need to think a lot. DBMCI provides you, particularly Bangalore Bhatia, it provides you the perfect stuff. I would definitely recommend. I would personally recommend, like, to my juniors. It's not like I personally feel. I have personally felt this journey. So, and all the faculties, whoever have come to taught us, they were actually excellent. To name few, that Micro Nazir sir and Medicine Tamim sir is our favorite, all-time favorite, and Praveen sir and Ashish sir, Ashwani sir. They are the best. Like I would definitely recommend. One extra thing which I think I have done. I think I have done than my friends in my closed group. I would feel like I have never hesitated to give GTs from the since day one. Like every month I have planned at least one GT I have to give, and whenever I felt like bored, I was bored, then I used to give one mini test or something, then revise the questions, revise those questions, and at last. I would like to thank my parents and my family and DBMCI faculty for sure, without which I could have never, who have motivated me. And at last, I would like to thank my family and my parents who have supported me well. And particularly, I would like to thank my sister. She was the one whom I used to call a lot. So what I want to tell is, like, you have to have someone to call to share your problems, and they have to help you to get back on track. And for sure, I want to thank our staff. They are excellent. Their notes, I would say, for other one main difference is with other platforms and this Bhatia face-to-face live classes. Like your notes will be very crispy. Your notes will be very concise, and you will like one thing which helps is like once you start your second revision, third revision, you have to for first revision you may take 2 days or 3 days. Next revision should be like half the time you have to give particular subject. There, these notes will really help you. They are very crispy. I would definitely recommend this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.